ये 42 ये सब क्या है दुकान?
ये तो पेपर ट्रेडिंग।
बस आराम से थोड़ा।
हाँ
और एक इसमें भी शॉर्ट
पीवीआर उठाओ।
लाइव हो। Hi guys, welcome to the live stream. Today we have SENSEX expiry. So we'll be taking some positions on SENSEX. First of all, I'm adding on the watch list and let's do some analysis. Okay. So 1 minute. Let's add SENSEX. So future is available. केपी से कॉल करो लाइव। फर्स्ट yeah guys, so we have SENSEX expiry today and one second. Yeah, so this is our SENSEX chart, and if you see, market has been falling, made a fresh fall again, and now again ready for a fall. Time is 2. We'll be looking to short only OTM call options, obviously for a reason, because we strongly believe the market can fall down. There's no need to look at the market structure also. I believe it's a great fall today. Just for your understanding, I'll just put on the market structure as I do. See, it has been higher high, higher low, but again there can be a fresh fall in SENSEX up till this level. Okay, and switching to even a smaller time frame, that's 1 hour. 1 hour time frame also, if we go, come on, yes, 1 hour time frame also, if we go, there has been a steep fall. Currently it's giving a retracement, the gap is filled, but again a fresh fall, or at least I'm not bullish for the day, so I'll be looking to short some OTM call options only for the day. Okay, so let the market settle here. We can, as of now, we can definitely short with confidence 74,900 call. Okay, after that we'll have to plan out something. 74,900 call. Yeah, we have SENSEX 74,900 call, which I'm willing to short at 9 rupees. We'll go at a market. We'll go with 5 lots. Okay, we'll go in intraday. We'll keep this an intraday order. Sold. Yeah, so we have sold a call option at 10 rupees. The whole value we can collect, or the whole premium of the juice we can collect, is 512. 50 quantities multiplied by 10.25 is 512. So PNL running currently is 7.5 rupees or break even. Okay, let us wait and watch where the market can head. Another, if so this is the fresh short I have executed, which is very highly OTM. Again, after a fresh fall, I can execute a bit of I can come near to the money. One point, if you can note, it has already filled the gap. So once the gap is filled, I mean, there will be definitely a pause in the market. Okay, so that pause is there, and for the same reason, I'm not coming near to the money for now. Okay, I'm not coming near to the money now. As of now, right now, I'm not coming near to the money. So this is the position. See, all are probably delivery position. This is just intraday position. So I have taken it in intraday so that we can have a difference. We can see what the difference is. So quantity is 50. Already 85, 92 rupees is running profit, 100 rupees. let's not talk or care much about the profit and losses. What we are supposed to see is the analysis part. Again, I feel from here there can be a smaller breakdown or a smaller test of a lower levels. Market on the upper side has been making a resistance zones. On the lower side we have something called trend line, and if you see from morning, fresh fall again, went up and a fresh fall again. So that is the same reason why am I willing to short this market at this particular juncture. Okay, Bank Nifty on the other side I can see on my other screens. It's kind of holding the levels. Okay, it's kind of Bank Nifty is also holding the levels, and it's fine also. I mean, Bank Nifty is not in a mood to recover, I believe. Okay, and the only thing is SENSEX is Bank Nifty is weak, guys. Nifty is weak. Okay, Nifty is weak. Fresh, clean fall in Nifty. Bank Nifty is weak. Nifty is weak. All things are weak. The India VIX is up by 0.3 points. That is roughly 3.2% is what I can see. So there's a clear indication market market can fall further, or at least it cannot recover from the fall. That is what my view is. Okay, again we see a fresh fall in SENSEX right now. Okay, fresh red candle. Let's look at our PNL. So if we see, already the premium has dried up by 25% roughly, and we are sitting on a 150, 180 rupees, 160 rupees profit. So cannot do much. We'll have to wait and watch how the whole scenario or how the whole situation takes us. We'll have to wait and then watch. We'll have to wait for a fresh fall, or we'll have to try to cover our losses from the put side. Both are quite possible, but if it is a fresh fall, that is nice, because I won't be interested to make lot of adjustments. Again, this is a good point to short 73,400 calls, but again that would be a bit of an aggressive gap has filled. So at this point of time I'm not very much interested to do that. Once let the fall happen, let the things become very clear. Okay, right now it has become clear there has been a steep fall. Someone is willing to sell at this price, someone is willing to sell at this price as well. So if we draw a trend line on the upper side, market can actually come and retest this zones. That is roughly 74,700 levels or something. But the whole point is, guys, if it retests 700, I'll be in a trouble if I short 400 calls. Okay, so the whole point is I'm keeping myself away for now. Once it comes here, comes at these zones, these prices, I can definitely try to short it again. But as of now, I need to stay away from the market. At this trend line levels, we can short at the money calls. Till then, I'm not doing much. Also, calls are decaying. If you can see, even for a green candle, calls are decaying. So the whole idea of theta is still there, incorporated in the whole system, working fine, working well. But we'll have to wait and then we'll have to see what happens. Okay, that was a quick red candle on SENSEX. Let's wait and watch. This is a no trade zone, or this is a zone of indecision. So no trades has to be taken in these zones. Okay, the clear consolidation zones, it becomes useless for us to go for a long or a short in this zone. So this is something called, I call it no trade zone. I'll write it down as well. No trade zone. Okay. Or I'll mark it here. Yeah. So I won't be very much interested even if the market goes up or down in between, because this zone I'm not supposed to take any decision. As per my rules, as per my laws, I'm not supposed to take any decision as of now for this movement. So guys, we'll have to wait and then watch what the situation is currently. I am biased on the lower side. I believe market may stretch a bit more on the lower side. For that also we need to wait, and then we can only decide. Right now it's not the perfect time to make any decisions, or any it's not the good time to make any kind of decisions. Okay, we'll wait for the market to show the true colors, either red or either green, then we can plan for something. Let's see if we can get a fresh fall. That is what I'm expecting. Can they do it or can they not? That's the next question. So market is testing our patience. Meanwhile, let's see. Okay, premiums are dead, decaying 6 rupees. There you go. Calls decaying at the max. Somewhere I was expecting short at these places. This is the place I shorted a call. We can have this as the stop loss. If you zoom out, this can be a fresh support zone. So this can be one of our targets. Okay, as anticipation worked, the fall was expected, and it has not given a confirmation of the fall, but yeah, it's still holding. I would not still consider it a fall, because you see the previous candles, it has come up till here but made a wick and came up. Call is something for 5 rupees which has decayed almost half. Can we have a fresh fall in SENSEX? Or can we not? It has given a good close below the zones, but we'll have to still wait. There can be, fake breakdowns as well. But today there is a less probability of fake breakdowns. One reason, because the market is itself bearish. The gold has made a fresh all-time high of 2400 per $2,400 per ounce. The VIX is increasing. VIX is in green. Fin Nifty is roughly 170 points down. Bank Nifty 400, which is decent in the recent days. Nifty 200, that is a bit scary and strange. Okay, but the thing is, the whole trend cannot change in the next 1 hour, and we cannot see a huge recovery. That is why I've made sure I'm safe, and I've shorted some OTM options. So if you see, yes, these are kind of if you see it in 5 minutes candle, you'll get to know what am I talking about, the fake breakdown. 5 minute also, see, it is making kind of bullish engulfing. 15 minutes, it's kind of a bullish engulfing on smaller time frame. So let's see where the market can hit today. I think I'll short a 74,500 call as well. I need some spikes on the call for the perfect price to come. Somewhere at 74 I'm willing to short it. Right now if I short it I can definitely do, but the risk reward is not what I want. It won't be a very good risk reward for me. So I cannot short it now at 30. LTP 5 rupees, there you go. Calls are decaying. I find it a good place to short, or if we can switch to 3 minute. I'll short this on 28. This is a very risky trade, okay? Stop loss is 38. I don't want to miss the opportunity also. Shorted. If we can go to orders and positions. Shorted at 29. Stop loss, we'll have to decide. This is a good stop loss, I believe. 40 is a good stop loss. 10 point stop loss, that is enough. So this is one of the risky trade, guys. First one is the less risky trade. This is the risky trades, okay? So again, due diligence has to be maintained. That is why I'm just putting a stop loss order. Trigger price will be 40.5 is good. I'll keep this 50. Stop loss is placed. Just need to set and watch. For this, I will keep a stop loss at 12. Stop loss is placed on point. So this is a risky trade, guys. This is one of the risky trades. I'm not advising anyone to think much about it. This is kind of one of the risky trades which we take, but again I was able to search for a good risk reward. That is one main reason I just jumped in the trade. Risk reward sees more than 1:3. Again, yes, one spike is definitely anticipated on the call side. I may or may not be caught on the spikes, but if I am caught, I'll be stopped out, definitely 100% sure. So let's see. This is the risky wala trade. The other one which is running is the normal trade which we shorted here roughly. The other one we shorted at 10 is currently at 5. The one we shorted at 29 is currently at 28. So it is a sell on dips market rather than buy on dips. So I'm finding reasons to short the market. Simple. Fresh series of fall below this level is what I can expect. Horizontal line, horizontal try. This is the fresh level. One closing below this level is very much required, I believe. One closing after that would be quite sensible to hold on to the trades. Otherwise it is risky. Risk reward is 3 and probability is less. Again, high risk reward, low probability trade. Risk reward here is 1:1. Sorry, this is also 1:2. As of now, I have trailed the stop loss, so that is 1:2. But again, accuracy wise, it's higher accurate because it will be highly accurate because this is something OTM option. Calls are spiking. I think it can spike easily up to 35 levels. Again, the stop loss is very small. So this is part of a risky trade. Again, I've been mentioning it multiple times. So yes, quantity should be lesser here. It will be in such a way that the MTM we lose from here should be the same MTM we gain from the other trade. If that goes in profit, if not, then we'll lose on both. That also is fine, no issues.
क्या लॉस तो नहीं हो रहा था क्या? लॉगिन करके क्या है?
We can see some fall on. So this pullback has happened. This was a sharp movement of 3 to 4 points. That is 10% of the premiums, 10 to 15%. So yeah, these spikes can easily. I mean, these are enough to hunt your stop losses. Let's see. This is a 1:3, and the other one is a 1:2 trade. Still 30 rupees. Let's wait till 235, 240. We can expect some fresh movement. Bank Nifty on the other hand, if we see, is on a support zone which is 560, 570 levels. It is taking a support, and that is what is problematic for us at this point of time. Nifty on the other hand is making a fresh lower low, but again the gap, all the indices have filled the gap. That becomes the next question, shall we hold on to the trade or shall we not? Okay, Nifty, Bank Nifty, everyone, as you know, broken down and filled the gap. Again, if you see SENSEX as well, it has filled this particular gap. This gap I'm talking about on 5th and 8th April. Between 5th and 8th April, there is a gap. All the indices have filled the gap. That means a fresh buying support can come from all the indices. So that is making, that is changing my decisions obviously, and my thinking logics to hold on to the position or not. Okay, good decent movement, 2 points. It's good. Movement was good. The way it moved, that is what I liked. Again, this is a dicey place, very dicey place. Make or break level for. See, here we are already in 5 points profit, so that is also good. Again, if you see, it's not decaying. Okay, this option is not decaying. It was supposed to decay because time is already 2:30. Maximum, guys, I'm gonna wait till 2:45. If not, if nothing happens, no stop loss, or it doesn't go till 24, 22, I will try to close the trade. 2:40, 2:45. 10 more minutes. Either stop loss before it, that's fine, or either it falls down properly till 20 levels, 22 levels, that is also fine. But if it doesn't go anywhere, I'll exit the trade mostly. I won't hold on to it. So can we have a fresh low? There we go, 24. Good breakdown. So by the time I told, I think SENSEX is hearing me out, I believe. So great, crazy DK, guys. Crazy DKs on the call, and good DKs on the call. So from 29, it is now at 23. From 10, it is now at 4. That is the crazy decay. Sensex, there you go. Can we make a fresh low or not for the day? Sensex, can we do it or not? Let's see, guys. Nifty on the other hand is not making a fresh low till now. Sensex also is not making, still struggling near the day lows. That is the same situation with Nifty. Nifty also is roaming in the near the same lows for the day. Okay, there you go. Sensex is trying something. Bank Nifty again is roaming near the fresh day low. So for every index is the same situation. Be it Nifty Finance, Bank Nifty, Sensex, every index is roaming near at the lows. Okay, so the whole point of this thing is all four can break down together, or there can be a very fast move on the upper side. Either breakdown of all three. See, it should not take this much time to break it down. It should not take the market a lot of time to break it down. Again, this breakdown is due to the decay, but it should not take the market a lot of time to break down. Still, their time is 2:32. It makes, it's not good. It's not good. If it had to fall, it would have fallen. We can wait for 240. 240 is the max time I would like to wait. Again, see, it's at 19. I would keep my stop loss at 35 or something. I'll trail it. 36 is a good stop loss. This becomes a 1:4.7. 36. Okay, I'll modify the stop loss. 36 modified, yes. And the other leg, I'll probably keep it at the entry price, that is 10, because already this is at 3 rupees. Stop loss is at 10 for the option at 3. Stop loss is at 36 for the option at 18. View is bearish. The market is kind of staying there, but due to the decay, we are getting something on the call side. So this is becoming a dicey situation for us, and time is also 2:35 days. 2:35. No movement. Again, the positions are in profit, but I'm not quite happy with it because the movement which I'm expecting is still not there in the market. $245 deadline. I'll write it down. 245, or let's keep it 247. 247. If the market falls down, fine. If it stays here, I'll exit the positions. It becomes a lot of risk to hold it on a winning position, because by this time the movement should have happened already, guys. Movement should have happened already, which is not happening. So yeah, that is again one thing which will raise lot of questions to me. This is one thing which is raising a lot of questions to me. Why is the movement still not there? There you go, 20. I want it at 15, 14 before 245. I don't like it, the way it is behaving. The premiums, why are the premiums not decaying? Right? The time is 2:36, it was supposed to decay. Maximum 2:45, I'm gonna wait. Otherwise, if it comes to 14, that's right, I'll mark it also. So I have some set of rules, guys, all the time. I've marked the level. If it is coming before 2:45, I'll hold the trade. If it is not coming before 2:45, I'm not going to hold the trade. Okay, time is also one factor which I'm considering. Okay, there's a bit of pumping on the calls. That's fine. I mean, it's at the day low, it's at a support. The zones have been broken on the lower side. I mean, it's holding the gaps. So I totally feel, the spikes are very common on the calls. There you go, 2019. Can they do 14? Can they do 14 before 2:45? So one is at 3, one is at 19, but I wanted to come at 14. That is a sweet spot for me. Can they do 14 or can they not? Time is 2:38. See, guys, I'm waiting for the next 7 minutes. If the market is giving me a move, I'll take the move. Otherwise, I'm gonna leave this place. I'm gonna square off my position. It makes no sense. The time is already, let's say, 8 minutes down the line. It will be roughly 2:45, and by 2:45 the OTM is still at 17 rupees, which is near OTM is currently at let's say, if it is still at 17 rupees, doesn't make a lot of sense. Some weird things can happen, or we may get profit also. It is not that only loss will be there. There will be profit also, chances is possible. But again, the kind of move which I am expecting is not coming, guys. So again, market, if it is acting as per my way, I'll be willing to stay to the trade or stick on to the trade. If it is not acting in my way, I will not do it. I think it can shoot up from here. Fin Nifty on the other hand is trying out something. Bank Nifty on the other hand is taking good support. It is crossing the swing highs on 3 minute and 5 minute time frame. Again, we'll wait for 1 or 2 minutes, guys. This can be a place where I may feel I should exit the positions also. That is also a possibility. The view was short, market has gone down, but the movement and the gamma is where I don't want to be trapped at. So, okay, done. I don't feel any fresh reason to hold. If it was supposed to break, it would have done by that time. Right now, I don't feel it can break. Probably I'm exiting my positions. For the same, I don't want to, stay at a risky spot as of now to deal with the volatility. We have made a roughly 8 points here, 8 to 9 points here, and 7 points here. That's a 15 points. I feel it's quite good, at least for me. If we trail the stop loss also, again that's going to hurt us. Fine, we'll exit this. We'll exit this. Probably. Time is 2:40. Can it make a fresh low? $18.17. Again, if it goes down and comes back again now, it is not. If it is not making a fresh low, I'll exit it.
हाँ 5,000 okay.
Oh, there's a decent gap down in SENSEX. Oh. Crazy guys, crazy. See, it is very fine for me. I would trail my stop loss at 28. That would, I would be covered in some way. I would not make a loss at least. So this 3, I would like the stop loss at 8. 7 is fine. And here 12 rupees ka I can make it as 27. There you go, good old levels. Fresh fall is happening in Nifty. It is kissing the day low. Bank Nifty, there you go again, fresh decent fall. Nifty Finance, the same. SENSEX, okay, made a fresh low. We hit our targets also, what we were expecting on the chart. Option is at 10. And 2. This is going to test our patience. Fresh fall, Fin Nifty kissing day lows. SENSEX is standing, that is not what I like. Bank Nifty is also on the day low. Nifty has crossed the day low. Now if SENSEX doesn't cross the day low soon, that will be a problem because the force which is coming from Nifty and Bank Nifty will be dried out. So SENSEX should make a fresh day low. And there you go, SENSEX. Still stopping. Made a fresh low, but still stopping. Option on the other hand is at 7 rupees now. So this is a 1:4.7 trade, which we have lowered our stop loss, and we are trailing it more. I think it's wise to keep a stop loss at 25 levels, which we have already. We'll keep a double stop loss at 19 is fine. This will keep at 6 and this will keep at 19. Time is 2:47. There can be a 3 p.m. move, so I'll probably square off my position at 255 max. 255 max. I'll square off my positions. There can be we'll try for a hero zero also, guys, today. Okay, we'll try for a hero zero also today. If I see some situations which are coming, we'll try for a hero zero also. $248. Fresh low, fresh low, fresh low. 255 is our exit. More than that, I will not hold this position. There you go, 6 odd rupees. Time is 2:50. Three PM I feel, guys, there can be a good short covering. There can be a good short covering, guys, at 3 PM. So I'll not hold these positions for a long time, because that would be a problematic situation for me. So targets are almost done. Almost it has actually achieved even on the spot. and even on the options. I'm probably exiting this premium right now because I don't want to attract any problems. It is a weekend also, so there may be short covering moves. So like, let us close it. There you go, close the positions. This will delete. Yeah guys, so yeah, that was it for the day. Nice live trade, both two trades taken, both were profits. So yes, I believe you liked it, and let's meet on Monday with the live trade. Thank you guys, see you.